The more I want, I love the glistening star. I never had enough.
Oh my goodness! Who made this crazy thing? Oh God, I can watch this all night! Hey everybody, welcome to another Mikey video. Hey, my baby's doing tonight. I'll tell you what, we're gonna do something funky, babies. It's always fun. We're gonna do block party. It's gonna be a mid-century style painting done with contact paper, shelving paper. All right, let's get this party going. Let's take these cool shades off so I can see what Marky's doing. First of all, I jumped ahead a little bit, but we're going to show you I painted the canvas black. You can buy them black, but I just painted it black with some gesso. Okay? Now we're going to pull out some of this normal contact paper. Okay? Contact paper. And let me see. Let's get some skizzers. Skizzers, because we like skizzers. Skizzers. We're not going to measure it too much. We're just going to cut it. Because I don't measure anything. You know me, I don't read instructions. I don't measure anything. I just wing it. I wing it. There we go. Cut it out. Pretty good. We'll set that to the side. We might need to do it again. I don't know. I might mess it up. So what we want to do is we're going to do this painting probably vertical, but we got to set it up horizontally so it's easier to handle. Oh, and this stuff is like semi-sticky. It's not like super sticky, but you got to get started. Oh, I feel like good fly paper. I got it started, as you can see. It's kind of hard to mess with. It's not a perfect science here. It's like a lot stickier than tape, though. Okay, gotta kind of carefully put it on there. All right. Woo! Smooth it out. Smooth it out. Get all those air bubbles and wrinkles out of it as best you can. Look at that. Okay, now what I kind of do, boys and girls, is I get a little bit of a hair dryer and I heat it up a little bit. Heat it up just a little bit so it gets a little stickier. And it gets a little wrinkled at first. Wrinklier. Is that a word? Wrinklier? All right, that's enough of that. You just want to get it warm. You don't want to cook it. And then smooth out those wrinkles. And like I said, it makes it, I don't know, it makes it adhese a little bit more. Okay, and then you want to get as close to your pattern as possible. So flip that baby over. Trim excess. Trim that excess off. You don't want a whole lot of excess. You want to get tight with that. So let's cut about an inch off of that. There you go. And then you flip it back over very carefully. Smooth back out. Smooth everything back out. You want to make sure it sticks to that canvas. I mean, it's kind of a little pain, but smooth it out with your hand as best you can. It's important you do this very carefully and make sure that sticks really good. You don't want it lifting too much. Okay, Well, I got kind of a design I kind of halfway drew there. It's not that great, but we're just going to go ahead and try to follow it a little bit. We're going to use a China marker. Okay, you want to use a China marker, grease pencil, whatever you want to call it. And just start out with kind of a funky shape right here at the top. Doesn't have to be perfect. There we go, there's one. Now we're going to do the top corner. Kind of cool. Just pull it down. Let's do that. Let's do that. That. Let's make a long shape there. 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 Let's do that and make it funky. There we go. Just like that. Okay, and then I want to start from the bottom. Look how cool that is. Let's go like that. Wham! Okay, and we're gonna go that way. Go up the middle a little bit. Make it kind of funky. Then we're gonna go like that, like that, like that, and kind of widen it a little. There we go. See that? Then we're gonna make just a normal, like a. Let's do a weird shape right in the middle here. Let's go up a little higher. And then like that, a little square. You're just kind of, you know. It's kind of a real sharp kind of a shape. Yeah, see that? And then we're just gonna make like an L. Kind of an L shape towards the bottom. We're gonna go a little bit higher right there on the edge. Boom! Nothing fancy. Okay, there we go. We got our shape. Kind of nice mid-century looking. Let's go a little further down with this piece here. You can fix it before you start cutting on it. Okay, I want it a little longer there. See, because that composition has to be almost the same. So you have a nice balance right there, but nothing in the center. Okay. Exacto knife. I want to use a thin one, but a sharp one. And just start cutting it out. This is where you got to get like surgeon skills. You don't want to push too hard because you want to cut through the whole entire canvas. You're just cutting through the contact paper. And then you're going to leave that negative space. Okay? You're going to leave that negative space. It's important to cut out one shape at a time. Boom! There we go. That first shape is cut out. Carefully peel it off. So you got one to work with. One to work with. Okay? There you go. Now, I'm going to start out with the color here. Let's start with this nice yellow. Actually, you know what? I'm going to start with blue. I like blue. You can start with any color you want. There's no particular color. Make sure it's nice and flat. And make sure you go straight down, because if you start doing sideways, you'll start picking up that contact paper. You don't want to do that. You want to shoot nice and flat and straight. See, like that. Nice and flat. Okay, that's it. Okay, now you're going to your next piece. Next piece. This piece right here, see, you're going to cut this intricate piece out. Like I said, it don't have to be perfect. Just follow your line the best you can. And you don't want to get, like I said, don't put too much pressure. You want to cut through your canvas or you're donezo. You're donezo if you mess that up. Woo! Now we're rolling now, babies. Oh, yeah. Bam! Carefully. Carefully lift that shape up. Bam! Nice and easy. And then kind of smooth it out. Make sure it's sticking real good before you go on to your next color. There we go. Yeah! I'm going to put it down just a wee bit, baby. It's funky, but man, it's getting a little loud. I want you to hear what I'm doing. Okay. Now, let's get on with this. I'm going to use this bright green. I kind of like that. It's like a lime. Woo! It's really like neon. Like I said, just keep it flat. Keep your paint flat. That's it. That's it. We splattered a little bit here. Let's cover that blue up a little bit. No biggie. Okay, next shape. Oh, I'm liking this middle shape. Let's paint that one red, because it's right in the center and it's going to look really good in the center. Should really pop and stand out. We're halfway there, guys. Halfway there. And it's already funky fresh, babies. It's already becoming a block party. I think I got it all set. Carefully lift. Oh yes. Bam! We did it! We did it! And like I said, let's smooth it out a little bit. Make sure there's no ripples coming up. We're gonna go red. Let's shake that up a little bit. Shake it up, shake it up. Keep it nice and flat towards those edges, especially. We don't want too much bleed through. There we go. Nice red. Okay, going on to the next shape. Going on to the next shape. Let's cut this top one out. It's bugging me. It's bugging me. It's bugging me. I want to get this big shape cut out. You got to be a surgeon almost. You know, like I said, just be careful with the pressure. You don't want to go crazy. And you want to get a nice, cool shape. Okay, there we go. Take that top one off. Oh, just careful, careful. Geez, don't get all crazy, Mark. There you go, see? There we go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Easy peasy. Okay, now, we're gonna get another cool color here. Let's get some purple. Purple haze! Purple, baby. Yeah, I'm digging that purple. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And let me see, what other color can I use here? Let me see, we got that color, we got that color. I don't want to use blue again. Oh no, let's see what color this is. Sky. You know, I kind of like this. I don't know if I have a cap for that one. Let's see if it works. It's orange. We'll use it. We'll use it. It's kind of a weird orange, but we'll use it. I kind of like it because it'll match the purple. It's kind of a little bit of a lighter color, but we like it. It'll give it a nice sunny feel. And let's do this. And we'll just do this. And we'll do this. It should be just a simple little L, you know? Nothing crazy. It just holds the composition in place. And look at that, just perfect little L. Okay, and just to make sure, let's come over here a little bit and let's kind of smooth that out. You don't want to get underneath it a little bit too much. Okay, it's kind of an orangey yellow. Ooh, kind of like it. It's kind of gold. It's a good thing I have lots of colors just sitting around. Funky, baby. We like it. Makes it nice and strong. Nice and easy on the tip. There we go. I like that color. I like it. I dig it. Dig it. Can you dig it? Kind of liking that. You know what? What the heck? I'm going to go right here in this corner. I'm not even going to, I'm just going to wing it. You can do that sometimes if you feel like the composition is not quite up to par. Okay, there we go. There we go. And I'll put that cap back on that I had. And we're going to switch it on to this baby blue color here. Let's see. No, we're not. We don't like that color. Let's see. Yeah, let's go a little darker green. There we go. So we got a little medium green, dark green, light green. Okay, guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to marbleize it here a little bit. Let's get some black marbleization. Give that retro 70s look. Woo! All right, you know what? Let's do a little silver. A little silver. I'll give that a punch that it needs. All right, digging that. I'm digging that! Yeah, it needs a little bit more black. There we go. There we go, I like that. Sweet! Okay, now what I'm going to do is just hair dry it a little bit so it kind of gives a skin on it. Not too much. Some hair and some air. There you go. Now, reveal time. Oh my goodness, could it get any cooler than that, guys? Mid-century modern, babies. Block party. Hope you enjoyed Marky's new video. Guys, go create some mid-century stuff tonight. Create anything, I don't care, just be creative. Create something cool. Bam! Foltz art.